Now, following Assam and Uttar Pradesh's cue, Karnataka too is mulling a population control model. The BJP National General Secretary C.T. Ravi, commenting on the UP population model, said that Karnataka also needs a similar policy. He said that population in Karnataka has breached the 7 crore mark, and given the limited resources, population policy is in need of the hour. Now, apart from Karnataka, the chorus for a population policy is echoed by a few BJP MPs in Madhya Pradesh as well. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has mocked the UP population policy, saying the BJP should bring either no child policy or more child policy, as many BJP leaders are unmarried and don't have children.
If Yogi ji want to promote a two-child policy, there is a two-child policy in the state of Maharashtra. Most of the BJP leaders are demanding there should be more child to be given birth by the woman. So he has to make more child policy, or he has to make a no child policy, because most of the BJP leaders are unmarried or doesn't have any child. It will be better that he must listen to the BJP people and make new policies. Two-child policy is there in the state of Maharashtra as well in many states of this country.
Now, in Uttar Pradesh, what we've seen is a big move for population control. A few months to go for the assembly elections, and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has unveiled a draft population control bill. This proposed law bans people with more than 2 children from contesting local body elections. They cannot apply for government jobs or receive any kind of subsidy. The Congress and the Samajwadi Party have called this move undemocratic. Here are the latest reactions.
Home to more than 20 crore people, that accounts for 16.5% of India's population. If Uttar Pradesh were a country, it would be the world's 5th most populous. On July the 11th, World Population Day, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath unveiled the state's new population policy for 2021 to 2030, aiming to curb rising population in the state.
विकास में कहीं न कहीं बाधक हो सकती है, और जिन राज्यों ने इस संबंध में अपेक्षित प्रयास किए, उसके वहां सकारात्मक परिणाम के सामने देखने को मिले हैं.
The government's population control bill promises perks and incentives to government employees and citizens having no more than 2 children. Parents with 2 kids will get 2 additional increments during their entire service. They will be eligible for subsidy on purchase of any plot and house, rebates in taxes on water, housing and home loans. They will also get a 3% increase in the Employee Provident Fund under the National Pension Scheme. On the other hand, families with more than 2 kids will not be allowed to apply for any government jobs, cannot avail of benefits from any government welfare scheme. They will be banned from contesting the elections. With only a few months left for UP's assembly election, the opposition is calling the decision a poll stunt.
उत्तर प्रदेश में इस समय चुनाव होने जा रहे हैं, और इस उत्तर प्रदेश के चुनाव में ये फिर से विभेद पैदा करना चाहते हैं. ये बिल चुनाव की संध्या बेला पर क्यों लाया जा रहा है?
Taking a dig at the new population bill, BJP ally Nitish Kumar said, if women are educated, the fertility rate will automatically go down.
जनसंख्या नियंत्रण के लिए अगर आप सिर्फ कानून बना करके कोई उसका उपाय करेंगे, ये सभी ठीक से संभव नहीं है. जब महिलाएं पूरे तौर पर पढ़ी रहेंगी तो इतनी जागृति आती है, इतना कॉन्शसनेस होता है कि अपने आप प्रजनन दर घटेगा. तो हम लोग तो इसी पर काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बहुत लोग लगता है खाली कानून बना देंगे और उससे हो जाएगा. तो वो तो अपना सोच है, अपना.
The UP Chief Minister is getting support from unexpected quarters. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar has said population control is imperative to sustain the nation's growth. While Assam has introduced a similar bill to check population, BJP MP Rakesh Sinha is introducing a private member's bill on family planning in the budget session. Critics have questioned the timing of the bill, saying the move is probably aimed at the Muslim community ahead of the state elections. Bureau Report, India Today.